Connect the red wire to the AC out L port. Connect the blue wire to the AC out N port. Connect the battery. Connect the black wire B out to the negative terminal. Connect the red wire B+ to the positive terminal. Connect the battery pack. Connect the red wire P+ to the battery positive terminal. Connect the black wire P to the battery negative terminal. Turn on the battery. When the screen displays 26, it indicates a communication fault. The communication cable must be connected to enable communication between the battery pack and the inverter. Connect the load. The system is now powered by the battery. Connect to the mains. Connect the red wire to AC in. Connect the black wire to AC out. Connect to the mains. The utility powers the battery and the load. Press O to enter the settings menu. Press greater than to navigate to program O1. Press O to select. Press less than to switch from utility priority to solar priority. 8 steps to complete wiring. Simple and easy to operate.